Is your Wi-Fi feeling more like a public utility than a private network? Let's lock things down by changing your Wi-Fi password, a simple but powerful way to boost your security. This video will guide you through the process in under 90 seconds. First, you'll need your router's IP address. This is usually printed on a sticker on the router itself. It often looks something like 19,216,811 or 19,216,801. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and type this IP address into the address bar. You'll be prompted for a username and password. If you haven't changed these before, try the default credentials. Common defaults are admin for both username and password, or admin for the username and password for the password. If those don't work, check your router's manual or the manufacturer's website for the default credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. This may be under security, wireless security, or something similar. The layout will vary depending on your router brand. Look for the password, passphrase, or security key field. This is where your current Wi-Fi password is displayed, often hidden behind asterisks or dots. Delete the old password and carefully type in your new, strong password. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. After entering your new password, click the Save, Apply, or Update button to save the changes. Your router may restart. Now, all your devices will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi using the new password. It's a small inconvenience for a big boost in security. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Wi-Fi password. Remember to update the password periodically for continued security. Like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.